Hello, viewers. Today I was telling about how to share someone's Instagram story into your Instagram story. For that, you need to go Instagram and I was taking a random Instagram story. Here we have a share option. Click on that. Just copy the link. Come back because we don't have an option to share our story. If they tagged you, you have access. If don't tag you, sorry, you have a process for that. Go to Instagram downloader. You once copied a link, just paste it on. Click on download option. After process it will show like that. You need to click on view story. Here we have a symbol of download. Just click on that. Click on select. Here you will got download option.